everyone, welcome to your channel Home Guide. Guys, this is my first video with my voiceover. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share for more videos. So let's get into the teaser of the day. So here we have three numbers coded to form other three numbers. Let's try to look into them and relate them. Consider first number 176. It is coded as 127867. Try to always analyze the number, dear friends. If we closely look into the number, we can write it as 1-7-6-. So, some number is appended to each digit in the original number. Now, it's time to find out what's the number to be appended to digits. Yes, we can code the number 562 as 566623. Just observe, my dear friends. Each digit in the number is appended with its successor. As in case of number 176, 2 is successor of 1 and hence it's appended to 1. Similarly, 8 is appended to 7, 7 is appended to 6 as their respective successors. Similarly, the number 562 is coded as 566723. Thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please do subscribe for more videos.